Why?
A couple days. We started.
Oh man,
Video.
what?
I will tell you, we started.
No.
Mine's stuck in videos. I can't get it out. So I'm restarting.
Yeah.
That's why I'm gonna do my restart my video because it's stuck.
Did you say it got bad out here?
That's about as bad as it got. Are you
Yeah.
still recording?
Yeah.
That whole tree came down.
At least we hit the only one
It's a
recording.
hollow kind of tree too. Everybody coming out to see.
At least we hit the
I
only
mean,
one.
but thankfully we don't have no roofs down. The carports got tore up and just trees down. That's like the last time that we had that big storm, that other big tree behind us came down.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, I'm trying to remember how it could have gotten destroyed.
It went down and they had to come in.
It was bigger than that tree.
Where's Facebook? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try it. Ready?
Oh no.
Good morning.
I'd say this is pretty bad.
Why would you be not live yet? Since I can start right away. Look at that. See, that tree was decaying. Hmm?
There's some serious damage. Thank you.
We saw it yesterday. We're like, oh my. We were just, it was right before it got really bad. So we're like, we're just going to walk around and see. And this was the first thing we saw. And then right across directly apart from it, there's another showing. But I don't think it's damaged, just a branch that's on it. So I'm like, because last night, it just kept, the battery just went like this alarm. And I'm like, you're not leaving alarm today? So I come out this morning, and it was flashing. I'm like, you know, I heard it.
I thought the first thing came on there sounded like crashing or jumping.
I kept hearing things popping. So I'm like, either a tree went down or a transformer popped. Yeah, it kept flickering. It kept flickering.
Oh my
And I had everything ready, and then it popped back on. I'm like, okay, we still good. And all my friends on Facebook like, I ain't got no power. And that's still on Facebook.
Oh, yeah. There's not too much damage out here. So you could say we were lucky.